Okay, guys, welcome back to SRE. Just got a big box in the mail. It's from Fearless RC. So, gonna do a unboxing for you. I've cut it. I haven't looked in here yet. Let's see what we got. Oh no, a box within a box. Uh-oh. Teasing me. They don't want me to have it. Okay, we'll cut this. Sorry about my runny nose. I've been going back and forth to the hospital with my family all week, and I'm sure I've caught some kind of grit. Okay, it's upside down, but I think you guys already know what it is. This is 30 degree north, 5T roller. It's all there, which is cool. Looks undamaged for shipping, which is also kind of cool. Last shipment I got was destroyed. Oh yeah, it looks great. So I will let you guys in on my plans on it. So I'm gonna do the 2-speed on this. That way I can pick my gear sets for low and high. I know not a lot of people bash with 2 speeds, but I do, and I love it. And I've already got one 4-wheel drive that's 1 speed, which is the DBXL, so I'll make this one 2-speed. I got a little case reed, SRE case reed gonna go on here. I'm gonna use the pipe they sent, everything. And we'll leave the stock gears, stock tires, and we'll kind of test it from there. Then I'll grab the 2-speed, go through all the diffs, and we'll see the difference. And so just wanted to make a quick vid. I was excited, get it in here, get it opened up, let everybody check it out, and I'll get it unboxed and make a better video when I get back. Okay guys, I'm out.